Hello, welcome to another IT Under 3. This time we're going to talk about how to format Google Docs for MLA, Chicago, and APA format. As you can see, we already have the text at Times New Roman and it's in point 12, and then you just have to go into that bar and change it to double spaced. And then you need to add your student name, teacher name, and all the other information that is required for MLA format. Make sure that you are on the left alignment, and you can change your alignments to left, center, and right, and you want to change it to center for your title. So I'm just adding a little bit of text, but afterwards we want to insert a page number at the top right. And after we insert that page number, we want to put our last names next to it and format it so that it is consistent with the rest of our paper. At the end of it, you want to have a works cited page. So that's about all for MLA format, and now we're going to move on to APA. Make sure you change it to double space in that spacing button, and APA needs a cover page, which we don't have a preset for. So you have to take your time and kind of make sure that everything is at the center of the page, make sure that it is at center alignment, and put your title, author name, and what institutions, like if you're doing this for high school or if you're doing this for college, then make sure you have that. And again, these are typically for research papers, so take your time with this and make sure that the words are at the center of the page and it looks nice. Then again, it needs a page number. And so APA format has this thing called an abstract, and you want to keep the abstract separate from the main paper and from the references. And the abstract is just basically a little blurb or a summarization of what your paper is going to be about. And then moving on, you can start with the body part of your page and create your references. So that's about it for APA formatting. Now is Chicago. So Chicago is a lot more rare in any type of academic setting. So for Chicago, you want to make sure that it is double spaced, and you also need to make sure that it is centered, and you have your title and subtitle in the center of the page for Chicago. So this can become a little bit difficult because, again, like APA, we don't have any presets for that the way Microsoft Word might. So you just have to take your time and build a really nice looking cover page with the title and the subtitle, and then after that you put your name and institution and date and stuff like that. And then once again, make sure that when you are writing, everything is double spaced and uniform looking as far as font size and type go. Once again, for Chicago, you also need page numbers, so go and insert those page numbers at the top right of your paper. And the last thing you have to insert is the bibliography towards the end of the paper. And then one last tool that I wanted to focus on is in the add-ons, and it's called EasyBib, and you can create a bibliography within your paper. You have this tool that will do an APA, Chicago, and MLA for you and insert it at the end of your page, all formatted for you if you do it correctly. But with that said, if you have any other questions regarding how to format papers, please see your English teachers. They are all skilled and adept at using Google Docs and formatting papers the right way, so don't hesitate to ask them for help.